Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mulching blades for Husqvarna, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the USA Mower Blades 50 inches cut, high lift blade for Husqvarna. Another universal mulching 3-blade set, capable of 50 inches cut decks for the Husqvarna tools. Even it enabled us to cut the deck about 52, except for fitting on well-established brands named Ferris, Toro, Snapper, and more. The length of the 3 blades is 18 inches and 2.5 inches width. This is an ideal alternative for such models as a part of a mower. Standard in sizes, sharp and double capability function as a high lift and a mulcher. Though it is quite durable, not good for small jobs. These blades do not create such issues, for instance, bending but not ruining. If you lay it against rocks and soils, they ship bent and keep balancing not to have any vibrations. Even if not, the blades are not in exact places and start noising. If you have used it once, you could put up such an anti-heated feature. Impacts against too hot by bending on the sides, which cannot all but ruin some functionalities. Moving on at number 4, we have the Maxpower commercial mulching blades for 48 inches cut Husqvarna. Next up is Maxpower Series 561735XB commercial mulching blades for Husqvarna. Like most other blades, you should have to keep the blade always in sharpening. Once you buy it, remain sharp for further applications. Enables sanding by hand or machine to balance 3 blades while replacing. Even thicker grass could also get chopped within seconds about 48 inches deep. Also, 16 to 5/8 of an inch length and 2.5 inches width may give breeze while operating. Without them, thicker stalks may get stuck in between replaced machines. Though the vibrating mode can disturb you for a while, except for smoother deck mounting. Another issue is its installation process. It is quite hard rather than the maintenance guide described. In that case, it may take longer than others' installation on Poulan and Craftsman brand mowers. At number 3, we have the Rotary Store set of 6, replacement mulching blades. Unlike other blades, this set is going to last a very long time. Not only are they sturdy, but they also come in a set of 3. Yes, you will get 6 blades, i.e. 3 sets of 2 blades. Now, you don't need to worry if you need an extra blade ASAP. All you need to do is take out the extra pair and get back to work. The 5-star center point allows the blades to snag easily on the machine of your choice. Of course, it can be used as a replacement for Husqvarna 532,187,255, 187,255, 532,187,256, 532,187,254, 18,725 and 187,254. But that is not all. These blades can also replace the blades on Poulan and Craftsman. Hence, they are versatile and can be used with different brands also. Moreover, they are very easy to sharpen. So, you don't need to spend a lot of time trying to make the blades sharp enough to use. At number 2, we have the 8-ten mulching blade set, high tooth, precise, well balanced. The machine balanced ones are good enough, but when you want perfection, you don't rely on machines. These blades have been balanced manually. Hence, the balance is perfect. Moreover, it results in 0 vibration. Consequently, there is almost 0 noise when the blades are working. Secondly, they have been hardened and tempered. Therefore, making them able to endure extreme temperatures and weather conditions. As a result, they tend to outlive the other blades available in the market. Thirdly, the set comes pre-sharpened. So, there is no need to worry about sharpening them as soon as they come from the manufacturer. And finally at number 1, we have the Rotary Copperhead, a budget-friendlier John Deere lawnmower mulching kit. The history of Rotary dates all the way back to 1957. It is one of the global market leaders in aftermarket power equipment spare parts supply, offering an extensive range of products designed primarily for lawnmowers. While also made by a trusted brand, this 2-pack blade kit is more affordable than the previous model. It's also made to fit 42-cut John Deere mowers. The John Deere owning relative I've already mentioned has some experience with these blades. In her opinion, they could easily compete with the more expensive Arnold model in terms of performance. They do have a weak spot, however. The rotary blades don't really arrive sharp. There's a layer of paint covering the cutting edge that you need to knock off before using them. Otherwise, the result might be disappointing. The blades are unlikely to perform better than the original John Deere ones straight out of the box. However, they easily outdo the stock kit when sharpened a bit, leaving hardly any uncut patches even in wet weather. The relative has also mentioned bumping into a brick as she was mowing her lawn with these blades. They did survive, pretty much unharmed, so I think it's a great option for shoppers on a budget looking for a heavy-duty tool. The installation procedure is relatively easy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.